We are an AI-powered channel that uses AI to navigate the topic of finance, as we believe AI has more knowledge. Welcome back, fellow viewers, to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and innovations shaping our world. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the future of personal finance. How AI is changing money management. In this video, we'll delve into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we handle our finances. So let's jump right in. Imagine a world where managing your finances becomes effortless, personalized, and highly efficient. That's the promise of artificial intelligence in the realm of personal finance. Artificial intelligence-powered financial tools are already transforming the industry, making a significant impact on both individuals and businesses. AI-powered budgeting is a new way to manage your finances that uses artificial intelligence to help you track your spending, set goals, and make better financial decisions. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze your spending habits, identify patterns, and provide personalized recommendations. Here are some of the benefits of using AI-powered budgeting. Automated expense tracking. AI-powered budgeting tools can automatically track your spending from your bank account or credit card statements. This takes the guesswork out of tracking your expenses and frees up your time to focus on other things. Personalized recommendations. AI-powered budgeting tools can use your spending data to identify areas where you can save money. They can also help you set financial goals and track your progress towards those goals. Real-time insights. AI-powered budgeting tools can provide you with real-time insights into your spending habits. This allows you to make adjustments to your budget as needed and stay on track with your financial goals. Some of the most popular AI-powered budgeting tools include Mint. Mint is a free budgeting app that connects to your bank account and credit card statements to track your spending. It also offers personalized recommendations and helps you set financial goals. You Need a Budget. YNAB. YNAB is a paid budgeting app that helps you track your spending and set financial goals. It also offers a variety of budgeting methods, including the zero-based budgeting method. Clio. Clio is a free budgeting app that uses AI to help you track your spending and set financial goals. It also offers personalized recommendations and helps you stay on track with your budget. If you're looking for a way to improve your financial health, AI-powered budgeting is a great option. These tools can help you track your spending, set goals, and make better financial decisions. Here are some additional tips for using AI-powered budgeting. Start with your goals. Before you start using an AI-powered budgeting tool, take some time to think about your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Once you know your goals, you can start to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. Be consistent. The key to success with any budgeting tool is consistency. Make sure you track your spending regularly and make adjustments to your budget as needed. Don't be afraid to experiment. There are a variety of AI-powered budgeting tools available. Experiment with different tools to find one that works best for you. AI-powered budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you improve your financial health. With a little effort, you can use these tools to track your spending, set goals, and make better financial decisions. AI-driven investment is the use of artificial intelligence to make investment decisions. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns and trends, and make predictions about future market movements. This can help investors make more informed decisions and potentially achieve better investment returns. In recent years, artificial intelligence has taken the financial world by storm, empowering investors with groundbreaking tools and insights. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, AI can uncover hidden patterns and trends that traditional methods often miss. The results are astounding. Artificial intelligence-driven investment strategies have shown the potential to maximize returns, minimize risks, and optimize portfolio allocations like never before. It's like having a team of expert analysts working tirelessly for you around the clock. The rise of robo-advisors. One of the most accessible ways for individual investors to harness artificial intelligence power is through robo-advisors. These smart platforms use sophisticated algorithms to build and manage personalized investment portfolios based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors offer a hassle-free and cost-effective solution for both new and seasoned investors. By combining Artificial intelligence, analytical prowess with human expertise, they deliver a winning combination that can help you achieve your financial dreams. By blending AI-generated insights with human intuition, you get a well-rounded approach to investing. Remember, investing is not just about numbers. It's about aligning your investments with your life goals. We are living in a future where artificial intelligence is transforming the way we manage our finances. No more generic advice that doesn't quite fit your unique needs. With AI personalized financial advice, you get a tailored plan that's just for you. Just input your financial goals, risk tolerance, and a few details about your current financial situation. Our advanced AI algorithms take it from there. iSystem analyzes vast amounts of data, crunching numbers at lightning speed, and cross-references it with market trends, economic indicators, and historical patterns. While all this might sound complex, the user interface is incredibly simple and user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, AI personalized financial advice is designed to make financial planning accessible to everyone. In this hyper-connected world, where data flows like a digital river, the need for robust security measures has never been greater. Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer that's making waves in the world of cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence security involves leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to detect, prevent, and respond to various security threats in real time. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can analyze vast amounts of data faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. Meet the AI fraud detectives. These smart algorithms are constantly on the lookout for suspicious patterns and anomalies in transactions, user behavior, and network activity. They can identify potential threats even before they materialize, keeping us one step ahead of the bad actors. Artificial intelligence security offers a myriad of advantages. It's adaptive and constantly learns from new data, making it more effective over time. It can rapidly analyze data to detect fraud, preventing financial losses and safeguarding our sensitive information. Investing can be intimidating, but AI is making it more accessible and rewarding than ever. AI-driven investment platforms use machine learning to analyze market trends, assess risk profiles, and suggest optimized investment strategies based on individual goals, all with the aim of maximizing returns. Risk management is a crucial aspect of money management. Artificial intelligence's ability to process vast amounts of data in real time enables it to identify potential risks quickly and accurately. This proactive risk assessment ensures better protection against market volatility and unforeseen financial challenges. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of the future of personal finance. How AI is changing money management. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and happy financial planning.